Well, try to make laing, guys. I hope this will be successful. I'm not expert of cooking laing, so this is to be a cooking experiment. Join me, guys. Seasoning added, and the onions, garlic, ginger, and the pork and salt are added, guys. Now we will put the coconut milk. This is the kakangata. Ayan, I bought 2 coconut, guys. For that, add pepper, green pepper. I will now put the onions, we will mix it afterwards, guys. Okay na siguro to, guys. Ang tagal na, guys. This is our laing. Let's have some, guys. Laing from the Gabi from a rooftop garden. My practice cooking. I hope it's okay. I hope it's delicious. And I hope I cook it right. Let's have some, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Some chili. Laing. Let's have some, guys. Gabi from the rooftop garden. Got practice cooking. Thank you for watching.